Hi there, friends. I'm Chief Meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. We do indeed have some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms around. The rain is hit or miss. Some of us getting wet, others are not. And if you are, you've dealt with heavy rain, you've had some thunder, you've had some lightning, you've even had some small hail and some gusty winds as well. Keep in mind these showers and embedded thunderstorms are moving to the east at about 30 to 35 miles per hour. So they're moving fairly quickly at this point. And as we do a couple of zooms here, we're going to start by showing you what's going on in and around the Lynchburg area. Lynchburg right now, you're dry. You weren't dry earlier, but you are now. You'll notice that we are seeing some showers and thunderstorms near William Campbell High School in Campbell County, also into Charlotte County, areas very close to, if not just north of Charlotte Courthouse, seeing some rain. And then you head further up north, we're seeing a couple of showers and thunderstorms right along the Amherst and Nelson County line, even Lexington right now, seeing some scattered showers and maybe even a thunderstorm or two. Then as we head further to the west, we've got some rain out towards Bath County areas right now, right over Hot Springs getting wet. Covington, Clifton Forge seeing some showers. You head a little bit further down to the south towards Union in West Virginia. They are dealing with some thunderstorms. Again, this is pushing to the east. So as these storms that you see in West Virginia push to the east, they will be a player towards the highlands and also into northern portions of the New River Valley here for about the next 60 to 90 minutes or so. So from now through about midnight, that's our best chance to pick up on some additional showers and thunderstorms. Beyond midnight tonight, these showers and thunderstorms will either weaken or just kind of disintegrate. So overall, we're looking at the next 2 to maybe 3 hours or so having the chance for more hit or miss showers and or thunderstorms. So we've got this first little batch of energy that is actually an outflow boundary from what's going on to the north. You'll notice certainly portions of Ohio, Indiana seeing their fair share of rain and thunderstorms as well. The little piece of energy came off of that, and that is what is producing our rain here locally. But the real concern comes late tomorrow night into the first part of Wednesday, as this front to the west is going to head to the east. And as it does, it's certainly going to be a huge player in our weather again late tomorrow, especially tomorrow night into the first part of the day on Wednesday. That's our next weather maker. That, my friends, is why we have issued a Weather Authority Alert Day. This alert day will be in effect for Tuesday night into the first part of Wednesday. The potential is there for some severe thunderstorms. This is not the type of system where everybody is going to get wet Tuesday night into Wednesday. I do believe that these showers and thunderstorms will be scattered, but some of them will pack a punch for us. Very important to note that. In addition to that, most of the 10 News viewing area is under this Weather Authority Alert Day. So overall, it does look as though we're going to have some random showers and thunderstorms pushing through here very late tomorrow night into the first part of Wednesday. Now, the storm threats are numerous, okay? Not only going to have heavy rain and thunder and lightning in any storm that does form, but I also think the chances are for some damaging wind and also some large hail in any storm that forms late tomorrow night into the first part of Wednesday. Those are, I think, the two main threats when it comes to severe weather, okay? Wind and hail. Cannot rule out the possibility for some localized flooding, but you got to keep in mind the ground is pretty dry. So I think the ground can withstand quite a bit of rain. And the threat for tornado is low, but it is not zero. Okay, very important to note that. The threat for tornado is not high. It's low late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, but that threat is not zero. I do think that a couple of these systems, a couple of these cells that we have late tomorrow night into Wednesday morning could have a little bit of spin in them. It's something we're going to be monitoring very closely for you here at your local weather authority. So by 11 o'clock, we're still going to have some spotty showers and a couple of thunderstorms around, but I would say by about 2 in the morning, we should really start to see conditions drying out, such that Tuesday at 7 a.m., maybe a stray shower towards the highlands. Outside of that, early tomorrow should be a dry start to the day. We may even squeeze out some sunshine tomorrow. Don't expect a lot of it, but we may see a little bit of sunshine on Tuesday. Much of the day tomorrow looks to be pretty quiet, okay? I would say beginning around dinner time and then really lasting then throughout the course of the evening into the overnight into Wednesday morning, that's when we're going to see our best chance for rain and some thunderstorms. So by the time 9, 10, 11 o'clock in the evening rolls around tomorrow, we will have some scattered showers and thunderstorms around. Certainly going to get wet here late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. I am cautiously optimistic that by the early to mid-afternoon hours of Wednesday, these showers and thunderstorms will go away as the front will finally get out of here, okay? Again, scattered showers and thunderstorms from very, very late tomorrow through tomorrow night into the the very first part of the day Wednesday. I would say by the early to mid-afternoon hours on Wednesday, the showers and thunderstorms in association with the front are gone. But notice, there's going to be some wraparound moisture pushing in behind this front, and that is what's going to bring us a chance for a few rain and or snow showers late Wednesday, especially into Wednesday night and Thursday. Yes, we are talking about the chance for some snow showers as we head late Wednesday night into Thursday for the west slopes, okay? Like for instance, Snowshoe in West Virginia, the big ski resort there. They're going to see several inches of snow. You could certainly see a couple of inches of snow in places like White Top and Mount Rogers. Otherwise, we're going to see in the mountains, rain showers in the lower elevations, snow showers in the higher elevations, and that starts around dinner time Wednesday and lasts into Thursday, if not Friday. We are lacking rainfall, or we did lack rainfall in March. We did have a rainfall deficit of about 1.5 inches for the month of March. Of course, it's the first day of April, so we've closed the book on March, and we closed out March with a little bit of a rainfall deficit. Obviously, March was also one of the warmest Marches. March of 2024 was one of the warmest Marches we've ever had across the region. All right, so remember I was talking to you about the chance for some upslope snow showers late Wednesday night into Thursday, maybe even into Friday. Well, cold air is coming in on the backside of this front, okay? We are going from feeling like summer today and tomorrow to feeling like winter late week, okay? We're looking at highs dropping from the lower 80s tomorrow into the lower 50s by Thursday and Friday. So again, much colder air works its way in later this week. And by the way, when the cold air arrives, guess what else arrives with it? The wind. That's right. It is going to turn windy as well as we head later Wednesday, Thursday into the day on Friday. So blustery conditions expected for us here later this week after starting out the week with temperatures way above average. All right, let's talk a little bit more about these colder mornings that we're anticipating here this week. By Thursday morning, we're going to have overnight lows about 35 to 40. By Friday morning, Thursday morning, 35 to 40. Friday morning, we're looking at lows between about 34 and 38. And then Saturday morning, we're going to have lows anywhere between 31 and 35. So most of us are going to have overnight lows in the 30s here later this week. Hard to believe. Temperatures today in the 80s, temperatures tomorrow in the 80s. This is not far away. It comes later this week. And obviously, with the chance for these colder temperatures, we could actually also have the chance for some frost. And we will probably even have areas that have a freeze. So on Thursday morning and on Friday morning, the best chance to have freezing temperatures will be in the mountains. Then by Saturday morning, those freezing temperatures will drift a little bit outside of the mountains as well. So more of the story here is this. Please don't plant anything yet. I know we've got spring fever. It felt so good outside today. It's going to feel very warm outside tomorrow. Don't plant just yet, okay? The average freezes in the mountains come here in about the next week or so. The average freeze actually for the Piedmont does not happen until later this month. So again, we need to be vigilant about practicing a little bit of self-control here. I want to plant too. My wife has wanted to plant. Don't do it just yet. Much colder air is coming, and we could fall below freezing in some areas here later this week. The wind. Yeah, the wind comes back too, as we've been telling you. I think the strongest winds for us here behind this front will come on Thursday. I think Thursday is going to be the windiest day with gusts 30 to 50 miles per hour. Would not at all surprise me if the National Weather Service issues a wind advisory heading into the day on Thursday. Again, Thursday is windy. In addition to that, when you factor in the wind and the cold, wind chills Thursday morning, Friday morning, and potentially Saturday morning, it will feel like the 20s and 30s. Actual air temperatures are in the 30s, but when you factor in the wind, some areas will feel like the 20s. Your wind chill is your feel-like temperature, and your feel-like temperatures Thursday morning, Friday morning, and potentially Saturday morning, especially in the mountains, will feel like the 20s. 9:39 and it's 77 in Roanoke, 65 in Lynchburg, low to mid 70s south side. Temperatures in the 60s and lower 70s in the NRV. Up in the Highlands, temperatures are in the 60s. So temperatures pretty warm outside. Again, not much of a surprise since we hit the 80s today. Temperature is still at 9:39. Very warm, no doubt. But again, colder air punches in on the backside of this cold front. Still very warm tomorrow, and then temperatures plummet later this week. For tonight, mild, warm, cloudy. We're going to have some showers and some embedded thunderstorms for about the next 3 to 4 hours. Overnight lows tonight in the mid to upper 50s. For the day tomorrow, very warm, but we're going to have that chance for some hit or miss showers and thunderstorms developing late in the day tomorrow. Again, much of the day tomorrow is partly to mostly cloudy and pretty dry. It's very, very late tomorrow, especially tomorrow night and the first part of Wednesday, where we're going to have the chance for more showers and thunderstorms. Your extended forecast: 82 Tuesday to 65 Wednesday to the lower 50s on Thursday and Friday. Then temperatures start to rebound. 57 Saturday, 66 Sunday, 73 on Monday. Again, we're going to be on the unsettled side likely through at least midday Wednesday, if not until Wednesday afternoon. Thursday, Friday, there's that chance for just a couple of showers. I think the best chance for a few rain and or snow showers will be in the mountains both days. And then Saturday and Sunday look dry. Pretty nice weekend ahead, no doubt. And of course, we've got the Great American Total Solar Eclipse happening 1 week from today. And right now we'll call it partly sunny with about a 20 to 25% chance for a few showers. It is 9:41 and joining me is my good friend Lauren. Lauren, are there any questions I can answer tonight, my friend? No questions. Very good. It is, again, 9:41. We'll be back here in about an hour and 15 minutes from now with our 11 o'clock newscast. We do hope to see you then. But again, please stay weather aware here as we head over about the next 36 hours or so, as we are certainly going to have the chance for some heavier downpours, some stronger thunderstorms punching in. Right now, we do have that little batch of rain pushing in, but the main batch, the main piece of energy we are most concerned with will move in for us here as we head into late tomorrow, especially tomorrow night and the first part of Wednesday. I do want to show you the storm system. This is our next real weather maker. Yes, we have a piece of energy overhead right now producing some hit or miss showers and thunderstorms, but the main piece of energy that we are most concerned with is this energy out to the west. It is going to head to the east, and again, by this time tomorrow, we'll probably have more showers and thunderstorms to track. We do indeed have a couple of thunder showers around right now. I want to show you the main picture here. Again, not everybody's getting wet. Movement of these showers and thunderstorms are isolated to widely scattered in nature to the east at 30 to 35 miles per hour.